Together, we complete one another. Together, we balance each other out.
As long as we have each other, we will get through all of that. I will always be here for you, whether you like it or not.
You are a true gentleman. You were kind, respectful, and genuine. You listened to what I had to say and you contributed thoughtful stories back.
Aubree, I vow to always keep that spark lit that guided us through those early days. To keep making you laugh and smile, whether it be through Facebook Messenger texts, when apart, or lying in bed next to each other at night. To be the calm to your storm. To travel the world, if the world ever allows us to travel again.
I promise to always laugh at your cheesy jokes. Be helpful when you're stressed and overwhelmed with work. Be gentle when your heart is aching. Be vulnerable so you know how much you mean to me on a daily basis.
To always have a beard on my face as long as the hair on my head keeps falling out. to never stop watching Below Deck together. I vow to always be your best friend, your companion, your confidant, and your partner for all of our years ahead. This is my unbreakable vow to you. I will always love you and be there for you from this day forward until the end of time.
Blair, being with you for the last 4 years has been the greatest joy of my life. You have introduced me to so many new things and have helped me become the best version of myself.
I want to tell you how it's going to be. You're going to give your love to me. I want to love you night and day. You know my love will not fade away.
You are my best friend. Together, we are a force for positive change.
A great pleasure to acknowledge your union as husband and wife. You may now seal your marriage with a kiss.
Please, 'cause only your good love